Ako! Kami!
I-check nyo muna, baka...
Ay, bagus.
Congratulations!
Pathway PH was initiated by the founder of Simple. He believes that being able to speak in English here in the Philippines would give orphans better opportunities when they graduate for college.
Dedicated na pang madayan na kayo.
He believes that it's almost impossible for you to be poor here in the Philippines if you're able to speak in English. Because he himself has 900 employees and mostly all of them are Filipinos. And they speak really, really good English.
Pathway is helping us to be able to improve our English. And one of the purposes of this program is for you to improve your English and then for you to have better opportunities in the future. And from the Duolingo app, you can earn some points. Those points, we convert them into peso. Every 5 points, you get 1 peso. Every week, we target 5,000 points.
Congratulations, guys!
We not only want you to feel blessed and happy because of this, we also want you to know that you have to focus on your studies. And the person is giving to you, Bob, also wants you to succeed in life. This is just a MacBook, this is just a laptop. But the reason behind this is for you to be successful in life. You have your phones to use Duolingo for Pathway. It's also for you to succeed in life. So that's what we want, and that's what we want you to remember. Not us giving you fancy laptops, but us supporting you for your college education.
Thank you so much.
I think here we are expecting 18 Pathway members for Pathway PH. For college kids, you will be able to get your money monthly. If you're able to save 4,000 each month, then your 4,000 will be given to you. There's also one way na maka-receive kayo ng additional na prizes except from the savings. Kapag ka-part kayo ng top 3 natin na kids, kapag isa kayo sa mga pinakamataas yung scores, yung top 1 natin bibigyan ng 2,000 additional, yung second natin bibigyan ng 1,500 additional, and yung top 3 bibigyan ng 1,000 pesos additional. Today we have a surprise for you. We're giving you phones for you to start our program. And thanks to Pastor Bob for his generosity. There are many, many opportunities kapag natuto kayo magsalita ng English. So, parang imposible na maging mahirap kayo sa Pilipinas kasi marami ng opportunity ang naghihintay para sa iyo.
Today we are here at St. Martin de Porres here in Laguna, and we are very excited to welcome 5 orphans to Pathway PH program. And right now they are currently taking their test to see their, first to see their level, and after that we are going to introduce the program to 5 of our members here in St. Martin.
We have a surprise for you guys! Cell phones for you to use. Who wants to join Pathway?
Ako! Kami!
Try to open it, for example, here. It looks like this. And then you can try to practice your writing, your speaking, your spelling. For example, what's chaa in English? Sugar, coffee, milk, or tea? Tea, very good. And then when you have correct answers, you can get some points. Ano kaming builder na phones? Of course, we leave the guidance of Kuya sa inyo kung paano gagamitin, kailan gagamitin.
Sige, question.
ay isa sa ating mga college students. Kami yung mga ate at kuya ninyo, pati si Pastor Bob, which is nakita nyo na. Ang pinakagusto talaga namin is magkaroon kayo ng sapat na equipment or gagamitan para makapag-aral ng maayos. So, if you have a question, pwede ko i-open mo muna.
Bedsheet, bedsheet.
Ay, pikit mo na, pikit.
Who wants to have a phone? These are gifts from Pastor Bob. Pastor Bob really wants to support your English learning. He has really a huge heart to serve you guys, learning more and having more opportunities when you grow older. Sino dito yung mahilig sa English? Wala. Palitan ko na lang yung question, oy. Sino dito yung gustong magka 156,000 pesos? We have this program. We combine English and earning at the same time, and that is Pathway. If you're a high school student, if you have started with us at 15 years old, you will graduate at around 18. Yeah, that time, you are able to save 156,000 pesos. So, ibibigay namin yun ng buo sa inyo, diretso, sa bank account ninyo. So, yung money na yun, you can either use it for your studies or if you wanna go to work, if you're ready, then you can use that money to start up or build yourself for college, prepare yourself for college.
We're gonna be distributing this to you.
As you can see guys, this is a MacBook. And lahat kayo mabibigyan natin.
We bought phones for you. Those phones were from Pastor Bob.
So ito na ang inyong MacBook. Ang gusto lang namin na maalala ninyo na through the things that we're giving you, through the support na binibigay namin sa inyo, gusto lang namin, isa lang yung kapalit, makapagtapos kayo ng pag-aaral and yung lalo kayo sa buhay actually. We have to win in life. What do you not want to happen in the future?
Things that I don't want to happen in the future at this. I don't want to be a housewife. I want to have my own work so that if ever me and my husband we separate, I have my own job to provide myself and my children.
My name is Christian Mat, and anything I do, travel and food trip sa street.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Fatal Marjorie. You can call me Raf for short. I'm a volleyball player and I like playing baseball, chess, and dama too. And I like watching anime and swimming. That's all.
Wow, that's nice.
So my name is Clarissa and I live in Bangkok, part of Cebu. And I'm 12 years old and I love dancing. And my favorite place is South Korea because it is one of my dream country to visit.
That's amazing. Thank you, Uncle Bob.